Welcome! In front of me I have DIESEL On Axial Watch, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this watch. Before we start, if you want to take a screenshot on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Wear OS application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Wear OS application on the phone that is paired with our watch. And once you open the application, you will see your Axial Watch right here on the page. Now, let's go to the watch and open the screen, or rather go to the screen we want to capture. So we can, for example, open the menu, open the contacts app, and let's say I want to take a screenshot of this page. To do it, tap on the More button in the app, in the Wear OS app, to open the menu, and here you should see the option called Take a Screenshot of a Watch. Tap on it. You will see message saying screenshot request sent, and then you will see the notification pop up about the ready to send the watch screenshot. You can tap on this notification. It will open this menu right here, and here you can send the select the application with which you want to share the screenshot. And you can select multiple applications, or rather one of the applications like Maps, Search Image, Gmail, stuff like that. But if you want to save the screenshot on your phone instead of like sending it through some app, you can use some kind of file manager, for example, Total Commander. Once you select it, you'll be able to save the file. So I can, for example, save it right here by naming it and tapping on OK. Well, I need to select different folder, for example, download files, like that. And the file will be saved. And if I go to the photos on my phone, library, you should see the screenshot in the download folder. And if you want to send the screenshot, for example, through Discord, you simply take the screenshot by tapping on the More Options icon, tapping on Screenshot or Take Screenshot, tapping on the pop-up, the notification, then selecting Discord. It will basically allow you to send the screenshot through the Discord if you want to. Okay. And that's how you take a screenshot on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.